Imagine this. Your dental implant chairs are ready, your team is trained, and your practice is equipped with cutting-edge tools. But there's just one problem. The phone isn't ringing and your calendar is half empty. You're offering life-changing dental implants, yet the patients who need them can't find you. If that sounds familiar, don't worry. This video will change that. Today, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process to get quality leads for your dental implant service in 2025 using simple, effective, and organic strategies that actually work. Let's get into it. Step 1. Understand your target audience deeply. Before you start any kind of lead generation, you need to understand who your ideal dental implant client is. Not everyone looking for dental care needs implants, and not everyone who needs them is ready to buy. So you need to ask, what's their age group? What are their income levels? Are they looking for cosmetic upgrades or medical necessity? What questions are they typing into Google before making a decision? In 2025, consumers are smarter. They research everything before committing. So if you can understand their journey, their doubts, and their goals, you can position your services exactly where they'll find you. Tip: use tools like Google Trends, Reddit, or Facebook groups to understand what people are saying about dental implants. This helps you tap into real-world conversations. Step 2. Optimize your website for local search. This one is critical. Your website is your digital storefront. If it's not optimized, you're invisible. Here's what to do. Use local SEO strategies by including city or region names on your homepage, service pages, and meta descriptions. Create dedicated service pages specifically for dental implants in your city. Add your business to Google Business Profile and make sure your NAP, name, address, phone number, is consistent everywhere online. Main keyword integration example. If you want to attract more dental implant leads, your website must appear when someone searches best dental implants near me or affordable dental implants in city. Don't underestimate the power of local SEO. It's free, it's powerful, and it works around the clock. Step 3. Create educational content that builds trust. Dental implants are not a small investment. People want to feel confident before spending thousands of dollars. That's why content marketing is your secret weapon. Here's how you do it. Write blog posts like 10 questions to ask before getting dental implants, or what to expect during a dental implant procedure. Make YouTube videos showing before and after cases or answering common patient fears. Create Instagram Reels or TikToks giving bite-sized implant tips. This kind of content builds trust, shows your expertise, and helps potential patients feel more connected to your practice. SEO tip: make sure to include keywords naturally like get clients for dental implants or dental implant procedure explained in your video descriptions and blog posts. Step 4. Collect and showcase patient reviews. In 2025, 90% of patients will check your reviews before making a call. So if your practice has 5 reviews and your competitor has 50 glowing ones, guess who they'll call? Encourage every happy patient to leave a Google review. Make it easy. Send them a direct link via text or email after their appointment. And always respond to your reviews, even the bad ones. It shows you care and are actively managing your business. Bonus tip: create a testimonials section on your website featuring video clips or written stories. Let real voices sell your service. Step 5. Leverage email and SMS follow-up campaigns. Many dentists miss this. When a potential patient calls or fills out a form but doesn't schedule, don't let them slip away. Set up an automated follow-up system. Send a friendly email reminding them of the consultation offer. Send an SMS with a link to your scheduling page. Offer a limited time promotion like free implant consultation this month only. Keyword naturally used. Lead generation for dentists doesn't stop at the first touch point. Your follow-up system could be the difference between a lost lead and a booked implant case. Consistency is everything. Step 6. Partner with related local businesses. Here's a strategy many overlook: local partnerships. You can build relationships with orthodontists who don't offer implants, general dentists who prefer to refer out implant cases, medical clinics or cosmetic surgery centers. Create a referral program that incentivizes these professionals to send patients your way. And don't forget about businesses like fitness studios, spas, or even realtors. Anyone serving clients who care about appearance, wellness, or quality of life could be a lead source. This word-of-mouth marketing is powerful and organic, just how Google likes it. Step 7. Use Google Ads the smart way, optional but powerful. If you have a marketing budget, Google ads for local dental implants can be highly effective. Here's what works in 2025. Target high-intent keywords like dental implant specialist near me or affordable dental implants in city. Use location extensions to show your practice address directly in the ad. Include strong call to actions. Schedule free consultation today or smile again with implants. Book now. But don't just set and forget. Monitor performance weekly, split test ad copy, and refine based on what drives actual leads. Warning: don't run ads without tracking. Always use conversion pixels and call tracking to know what's working. Step 8. Host local free educational events. You might think in-person marketing is outdated, but local engagement still matters. Host a free event at your clinic. All about dental implants night? Ask the implant expert, live Q&A, mini smile makeover sessions. Promote it via Facebook events, local community boards, and your email list. Give attendees a free consultation or discount coupon. This builds authority, educates your market, and creates an emotional connection. Step 9. Get listed on dental and health directories. Boost your organic reach by listing your practice on health-specific platforms like HealthGrades, ZocDoc, RealSelf. Vitals also list on broader platforms like Yelp, Bing Places, and Apple Maps. These listings give your practice extra visibility, credibility, and backlinks that help your Google ranking. Don't forget to update photos, office hours, and make sure your messaging is consistent across platforms. Step 10. Make your booking process frictionless. This one's crucial. If it's hard to book with you, people won't. Add Book Now buttons to every page of your site. Use an online scheduling system that works on mobile. Offer instant booking with calendar integrations like Calendly or NextHealth. The easier it is to schedule a consultation, the more leads you'll convert. Period. There you have it. 10 powerful, proven, and organic ways to get high-quality leads for your dental implant service in 2025. None of these require expensive ad agencies or confusing tech. They just need consistency, strategy, and a little patience. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more marketing tips tailored specifically for dental professionals. And if you have any questions or want more specific strategies, drop a comment below. I read everyone. Thanks for watching, and here's to filling up your schedule with patients who are ready for the smile of their dreams.